What's going on? My name is Nick Paul. I'm a representative from Coastal Elite Roofing. I'm out here at Mr. and Mrs. Anderson's home. We're going to attempt to perform a repair on this damaged shingle right here. As you can see, it's completely broken. I just have it pulled back down just to make it easier to work with. The shingle starts here and it ends here, so I will be replacing this tab, and this tab. I've already somewhat unadhered this tar strips on the road before, and this one. So now all I have to do is just remove the nail strips that run here, and remove this old damaged shingle and reinstall this new one. Will you hold this hammer though? And I'm just going to start by gently lifting these shingles and finding these nails.
Speak up a little, it's a little windy.
Where's that hammer? This nail's slightly stuck. Nails are way overdriven. We hold these. I don't know if these nails are going to come out. Try and get them out after we get this shingle out.
It's raining.
Huh?
It's starting to rain.
Sorry, this is taking a little longer than normal. Like I said, these nails are completely overdriven.
What he's saying is, he's sorry it's taking a little extra long. These nails are overdriven. Just wanted to repeat that. It's a little windy. Not sure if y'all can hear him. Once again, another overdriven nail. A little bit more difficult to remove. We're being as gentle as possible, making sure that we aren't applying any extra force to the shingles. All he is doing with that hammer is lightly tapping the flat bar up underneath the nail to be able to remove it easier. It's just one of those unfortunate situations you run into, and you just have to try and cause no further damage and be as gentle as possible while solving the problem. Thank you. Not all of these nails, but 2 so far are rusted on the top, showing that there is water penetrating these shingles.
every single nail on this roof is overdriven. This makes it really hard to perform a repair without causing further damage. I mean, I'm being just as absolutely as gentle as I can be.
Thank you, sir. Man, look at this nail here. It is rusted all the way through, showing that this roof is being penetrated by water.
Can we hold this?
Yes.
Still gotta get that one out. I gotta go get my hand.
Sorry for the delay. Had to retrieve his hammer. Damaged shingle has been removed. Now here's the new shingle that we will slide into place and attempt to reinstall. And now, before we begin to reinstall, I want to show that there's no damage to the shingles above. If you would give them a close-up. As you can see,
That one has underwent a little bit of damage.
this shingle here is the only one that's slightly damaged. None of the others have sustained any damage to
This wasn't
point.
damaged prior to this stuff.
This one was sustained while removing nails, and none of the others have been damaged. Here's the nails.
Grains are just running off.
I can hear them raining. Every tap is raining grains. I don't know if you can see it in the video. I'll try and get a little closer for them. Can you hear the rain of grains after every swing? Man, I can already see the creasing across that one and that one.
Yep. And that's for me lifting 45 degrees.
That's a 45-degree angle.
I'm not lifting these shingles anywhere close to 90 degrees.
Again, lifting all these to 45 degrees, and we're seeing creasing coming across the top and lots of grains raining down. Okay, now I'm going to walk down and show you guys the damages. Let me get that real quick. Show them up close.